Dr. Car, and we've been in the business for many years. I think in Hyderabad now we've, God willing, achieved a good name in what we do. Our primary offer to the market, which we started with, is of course used cars. So we started with that, which is doing exceedingly well. As a brand name, we are very good in the city. But now we wanted to expand on Martande, and we wanted to reach out to a larger customer database. How do we do that? So we've come up with a very innovative program. This is a program designed to introduce Dr. Car to people who are not necessarily our customers, to increase our database, as it were. So we came out with this scheme. We've called it the Great Auto Giveaway. Essentially, the scheme is like this. Any person who's purchasing a car, if he's got the intent of buying a car, simply needs to access our website, log on, give his details of name and number, and the car that he's interested in buying, and saying, that's it. Registers himself, or he can call us and we'll do the same thing for him. But once that is done, 2 weeks later, he agrees to 3 conditions. That is, his car, if he's buying a car, if he should make a purchase, it should be less than 10 lakhs. It should be within the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad, from any dealership, any make, it does not matter. And he has to give us a proof of purchase, that he has purchased the car, proof. So the moment he gives us a proof of purchase, we give an instant 1,000 rupee check, right up front, right there. Finish it as a gift check, and then from all those who have qualified, every 2 months we take a lottery at a draw, and the winner of that draw, we give 1 lakh, one extra 1 lakh. And in fact, today is the first, we are introducing today to the city, that our first winner is Mr. Suresh Babu. He's taken a Ertiga. We've given him the 1,000 rupee gift check right up front, and now we've given him the 1 lakh bumper draw offer. So he's the winner. Our sales are okay, pretty good. We are increasing. In fact, our growth over last year is more than 15%. The used car market in Hyderabad is pretty good, but more importantly, our service is a very good service, and people are appreciating it. So our market share is increasing. More than the market size, market share is increasing. Ante, we are always a little worried when we see the macro picture. Right now, you see the news is not necessarily very exciting. We're always a little concerned, but right now we're okay. So far, let's see, we are trying, and hopefully we will do better in the future. But right now we are stable and we're doing a decent job. What we were known for in the past is more used cars, maybe motor insurance. But today this is our first foray into new cars. Till now a new car customer need not have called Dr. Car until he was ready to sell the car. Today we are catching him much earlier at the very beginning of the sales cycle. Today he is a member of our family. Tomorrow he can become a customer. One of our major objectives, gathering a live buyer database. For these 92 people have qualified for April and May. From those we have pulled the lottery of 92 customers, and Mr. Suresh Babu is the winner. We are hoping that will increase. We have very, let's say, ambitious targets. I hope it will reach there, God will. We hope that every person who buys a car in Hyderabad should call us before they buy it. We're giving money for free, so take it. Why not? That's the thing. Thank you.